If you're looking to turn your woodworking hobby into a profitable venture, the key is to find your niche. The beauty of carpentry is that every piece of wood is unique, which means every project you make is one of a kind. Grab 16,000 woodworking plans today. You can get instant access to over 16,000 woodworking projects in the next 5 minutes or less. Ted has spent years putting together Earth's largest collection of woodworking plans. I'm talking about 16,000 done-for-you plans with step-by-step instructions, photos and diagrams to make every project laughably easy. And the best part is, it doesn't matter if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click on the link of the first comment and get it now. There's something meditative and calming about working with your hands and creating something from scratch. It's about balancing the technical aspects of measurement and precision with the creative aspects of design and aesthetics. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner, there's always room to improve your skills. The beauty of woodworking is that it's a craft that can be enjoyed at any age. Working with wood is not just about creating something beautiful. Woodworking is a craft that requires patience and perseverance, but the results are always worth the effort. One of the things I love about woodworking is the feeling of satisfaction that comes from turning a rough piece of wood into something beautiful and functional. In a world where technology dominates, woodworking offers a welcome escape into a more tactile and physical form of creativity. Carpentry is a craft that teaches us the value of hard work, dedication, and attention to detail. From small trinkets to large structures, there's always something new to create. Working with wood is a way to express your individuality and creativity. Carpentry is a craft that requires both technical skill and artistic vision. It's about finding the perfect balance between form and function. Whether you're working on a project with friends or teaching someone else how to create, it's a shared experience that creates lasting memories. Carpentry is a craft that teaches us the importance of patience, focus, and dedication. These are valuable skills that can be applied to all areas of life. The beauty of woodworking is that it allows us to create something tangible and lasting in a world that is increasingly ephemeral. With woodworking, not only can you make something beautiful, but you can also turn your passion into a profitable business. Woodworking is a lucrative field, and with the right skills and marketing, you can turn your hobby into a full-time job. Imagine being able to make a living doing something you love. If you have a talent for woodworking, you have the potential to make a lot of money. Whether you're selling small pieces or large furniture, there's always a market for handmade and unique items. With woodworking, the only limit to your earning potential is your own imagination. Woodworking is not just a hobby, it's a skill that can make you money.